Hello and welcome to the video portion for stock number CR172. Here we have an 03 Dodge Ram 1500. 5.7 liter Hemi V8. This vehicle is a retire ride vehicle. This concludes the video portion for stock number CR172. Thank you.